How to fix Wi-Fi option not showing on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix if your Wi-Fi option is not showing. So the very first thing you want to do here is check if you have any problem with your drivers. To do that, go to the search bar and then search for CMD. Run it as administrator, and then you're going to have to type in this command over here, ping 127.1.1.1. Hit enter. And if you're getting these replies, then that means that your Wi-Fi adapter or your network adapter is working fine, so it's not a problem with your hardware. Now, next, what you need to do is go to services. Just go ahead and simply search for services, and then type in W, and find the WLAN config, auto config. Right-click on it, go to properties, make sure the startup type is automatic. Now, if it's running, you can just stop this once, click on yes, and once you stop it, you can just restart it again. Tap on start, and then click on apply, and then OK. Once that is done, you can just close it out. The next step is to go ahead and go to Run Dialog Box, search for inetcpl.cpl, hit enter, go to the Advanced tab, make sure you restore the advanced settings, click on apply, and then OK. Now, once more, you can just open your Run Dialog Box, but this time, search for ncpa.cpl. I'll just go ahead and search for it. And from here, make sure that the Wi-Fi is not disabled. If you see an enable button here instead of disable, tap on enable. And then you can right click on it to go to its properties. Once you open up your properties, make sure the IPv4 is selected and then go to properties again. Now in this case, select the use the following DNS server's address. Use the Cloudflare's DNS. Enter 1.1.1.1 on preferred DNS, and on alternate you can do 1.0.0.1. Tap on OK, and now you can finally restart your PC once and you'll be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.